All right.
Well, we're back again.
All of the utensils that I own are right here. I've got one fork, one spoon, and I have a paring knife. I just picked up the knife sheath. There's a 3-minute video on that, so check that out. Fits perfect on my 3.5-inch paring knife. So now I'm like, well, what if I go on a long trip, or if I'm like living in my car, right? Like I need something to put my utensils in. So I was like, I'm gonna check out what they got. They've got these knife rolls or these utensil rolls, and I was like, that's perfect. I'm gonna try one. So on camera, I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see if it works for my setup. I only needed a small one, so I got this one. It holds 4, and it's
The Beavercraft.
should be canvas. This is advertised for knives and for chisels, but you can put whatever you want. It's made in Ukraine with something different. Get this open and we're gonna check it out. There you go. And it goes like that. Got some ties here. All right, let me get you some measurements. Top to bottom, you have 13 inches. From left to right, you have 11.25 inches. Actual pouches are 4 inches by 2.5 inches. Okay, then you have 2 folds. First fold, 8.75 inches. And then you can fold it again, 4.5 inches. So I'm gonna pop my utensils in, spoon it down like that, fork in like that, and then the knife. Turn it, fold it. Keep it nice and tight. And then I just come around. I'll just do like a shoelace knot or something for now. Something like that. You could always use rubber bands too or whatever if you need it tighter, but have a nice roll there. Nothing's gonna poke through, nothing's gonna fall out, so you are
Good to go.
They're nice and affordable, so I'll put the links down below. Again, you can use these for whatever you want. You can use them for tools or arts and crafts, chisels, carving tools. You can put all knives in there. Thanks for watching. Peace.